Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my financial stress into financial success with a weekly budgeting plan. Feeling like you're drowning in debt or constantly stressed about making ends meet? You are definitely not alone. Many of us struggle to manage our finances effectively, and this takes a significant toll on our mental health. The weight of financial stress can feel crushing. I used to be there too, living paycheck to paycheck, spending everything without saving a dime. It felt like I was barely keeping my head above water. The emotional toll financial stress takes is real, affecting relationships, work, and health. The solution is to take control of your financial situation. It's crazy how simply not having a clear picture of our finances can cause so much anxiety. Avoiding checking your bank account only makes things worse. Today, let's talk about a simple yet powerful tool that changed my life: weekly budgeting. It gives you the clear picture you need. Creating a weekly budget is straightforward. First, you need to know where your money is actually going. Track your expenses. Write down everything you spend, no matter how small, to get a clear picture of your spending habits. Next, set your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund? When setting up your budget, prioritize your necessary expenses first. Make sure everything aligns with your financial priorities. Be honest with yourself about what you truly need versus what you simply want. This is a crucial step in making smart financial decisions. Crucially, make sure to include a category for savings and emergency funds. Unexpected expenses will always pop up, and you need a safety net. Sticking to a budget requires the right tools and consistency. This can have a transformative effect on your financial stress. Utilizing a budgeting app or spreadsheet can make it easier to track expenses and stay on top of your finances with reminders and alerts. The key is to find a system that works for you and then stick to it consistently. What works for one person might not work for another. The payoff of weekly budgeting is enormous. It moves you from a state of constant worry to a feeling of security and control. In my own experience, a weekly budget has given me a sense of control. I know exactly where my money is going, and I can make informed decisions. I remember a friend who paid off credit card debt within a year after starting a weekly budget. That sense of relief and accomplishment is truly life-changing. Weekly budgeting is more than money management. It's a path to financial empowerment, reduced stress, and achieving your financial goals. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your values. Choose to reduce your financial stress today. If you're struggling with financial stress, I encourage you to give weekly budgeting a try. Share your experiences in the comments below.